What happens when you enter your Slack workspace? This is more or less the page that you're going to see. You will already have predefined channels where you have joined, and you can access them, and you will receive a welcome message from me, Elina. In this welcome message, you will have step-by-step directions on how to introduce yourself in the first channel, welcome to Extern channel, how to use the other channels, and a link to our help desk channel, as well as an instruction how to book a 15-minute Extern career coach call in case you have any questions and need a clarification. And that's it. You are all set. Of course, sometimes there are some problems that can happen. Most of all, a link that expired when you click on it to join Slack. Don't panic. Contact our support team at support@extern.com, and we will resolve this issue quickly. Sometimes too many students click on the link too quickly at the same time, and the link expires. But we will send you a new link. And besides all the public links and the message that you will receive, once you join an externship and your externship starts, you will be also invited to a private externship channel. You will be automatically added to that channel, or you'll receive an invitation that invites you to join both Slack if you haven't done it yet, and the channel. It will be a cohort-specific channel where you can meet your PM, your teaching assistant, and your direct team. And in case you start your externship and are never added to this private channel, don't hesitate to post it in help desk channel, and we will set you up quickly. You're all set. Welcome aboard, and you can start engaging, exploring channel, and connecting to our team and to your peers.